Hello everyone. So if you want to turn your Bluetooth on and off on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, there are a couple ways to do this. So the first one is to your settings, open up your settings, open up your Bluetooth tab, and as you see I have already turned on. So the switch glows with a green color, it means it's on. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on it, confirm your choice by pressing turn off. When it goes gray, it means it's off. If you want to turn it on again, simply tap on the switch, now it's on. Alright, the second way to do this is through your control center. So simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now press here to open up the full mode and find your Bluetooth. Simply tap on it to enable. If it glows with blue, it means it's on. Glows with white, it means it's off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.